Today we're stepping into the extraordinary realm of crystals, focusing on a stone known for its potent energy and captivating origins, Moldavite, the stone of universal compassion. Found only in a specific region and formed from a meteorite impact millions of years ago, Moldavite holds a unique allure for crystal enthusiasts and spiritual seekers alike. Its vibrant green hue and extraterrestrial beginnings whisper tales of transformation and cosmic connection. In this video, we'll delve into the top 5 benefits of incorporating Moldavite into your spiritual practice. Whether you're drawn to its metaphysical properties or simply captivated by its beauty, join me as we uncover the magic held within this remarkable stone. One of the most profound benefits of Moldavite is its ability to accelerate personal growth. Have you ever felt stuck, like you're on the precipice of change but haven't quite taken the leap? Moldavite, with its intense vibrational energy, acts as a catalyst, gently nudging you out of your comfort zone and propelling you towards your highest potential. Imagine it like this. You're a caterpillar cozy in your cocoon, ready for metamorphosis. Moldavite is the gentle breeze that encourages you to break free, spread your wings, and embrace the transformation into a beautiful butterfly. It helps you shed old patterns, beliefs, and limitations that no longer serve you, making way for profound personal growth and self-discovery. This isn't always a comfortable process. Growth rarely is. You might experience emotional detox, releasing what no longer serves your highest good. But remember, you are supported. Trust the journey, embrace the shifts, and allow Moldavite to guide you towards the incredible individual you're meant to be. Moldavite is a powerful ally for those seeking to deepen their connection to their intuition and enhance their psychic abilities. It's believed to activate the third eye chakra, the energy center associated with insight, perception, and spiritual awareness. Have you ever had a gut feeling, a whisper of knowing that you couldn't quite explain? That's your intuition speaking, and Moldavite helps to amplify that inner voice. Imagine Moldavite as a tuning fork, its vibration harmonizing with your own energy field, clearing away static and interference. This allows you to more clearly receive intuitive insights, messages from your spirit guides, and even glimpses into past lives or future possibilities. Working with Moldavite can open you up to a world of synchronicities and meaningful coincidences. Pay attention to the signs and symbols that appear in your life. They often hold valuable guidance from the universe. Trust your instincts, listen to your inner wisdom, and allow Moldavite to illuminate the path of your highest destiny. The vibrant green of Moldavite is a clear indication of its connection to the heart chakra, the energy center of love, compassion, and emotional well-being. If you're carrying emotional wounds, past hurts, or struggling to forgive yourself or others, Moldavite can be a gentle yet powerful healer. Imagine its energy as a soothing balm, gently mending a broken heart. Moldavite helps to release trapped emotions, allowing you to process and heal from past traumas. It encourages forgiveness, compassion, and self-acceptance, paving the way for deeper and more meaningful connections with yourself and others. When your heart chakra is open and balanced, you radiate love, kindness, and empathy. You attract harmonious relationships into your life and experience a profound sense of inner peace and joy. Moldavite's origins are as captivating as its properties. Born from a meteorite impact millions of years ago, this stone carries within it the energy of the cosmos, a tangible link to the universe beyond our planet. Holding Moldavite can evoke a sense of awe and wonder, reminding us of our interconnectedness with something far greater than ourselves. Imagine holding a piece of the stars in your hand. That's the energy of Moldavite. It's believed to enhance spiritual exploration, astral travel, and communication with extraterrestrial beings. Meditating with Moldavite can facilitate profound journeys into higher realms of consciousness, offering insights into the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. This extraterrestrial connection imbues Moldavite with a unique vibration, one that resonates with those who feel called to explore the cosmos, connect with their starseed origins, or simply expand their awareness beyond the earthly realm. In a world often filled with stress and negativity, Moldavite serves as a powerful shield, protecting you from harmful energies and promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. It's believed to create a protective barrier around your aura, deflecting negativity and preventing energy leaks. Think of Moldavite as a spiritual guardian, its high vibration repelling lower vibrations that may attempt to attach themselves to your energy field. This is especially helpful for empaths and sensitive individuals who often absorb the emotions of others. Carrying Moldavite with you or meditating with it can help to cleanse your aura, clear your energy centers, and create a sense of grounding and stability. It empowers you to move through the world with confidence, knowing that you are protected and supported. As we conclude our exploration of Moldavite's remarkable benefits, I encourage you to listen to your intuition. If you feel drawn to this stone of transformation, embrace its energy and see what magic unfolds in your life. Remember to subscribe and like for more insightful content on the mystical world of crystals. Join us on this journey of spiritual discovery and personal growth. Together, let's explore the hidden wonders that the universe has to offer. Until next time, may your heart be open, your spirit free, and your journey filled with love and light.